Sound of Rum to me.
Let me tell you what the Sound of Rum is.
The Sound of Rum is joy.
It's culture, it's life.
It just creates a vibe.
And the music sound good.
It's in Carnival, sun, the steel. It's just a feeling.
The best songs with the best spirit. All these different carnivals happened because they were celebrations after the crops were harvested. Cutting that sugar cane, creating that rum, then they were able to celebrate and they were allowed to express themselves.
It's like a 2-3 month festival of parties, culture, food, rum.
People love to party here. When it's crop over time, you see people out every night.
It's not just the music, the costumes are amazing. When masquerade and costumes started in the Caribbean, we had to masquerade who we were to take over a space. Today, we don't care.
It's like the music hits them, and they just go wild.
You got ability to turn whistle to stone. Girl, you're fantastic. Look, rock it back for me. Go, baby.
Soca on the whole is that energy of a Caribbean vibe.
I definitely see soca as that initial Sound of Rum.
It's a big part of our culture, so we're gonna sing about it.
Who's drinking rum? I drink it. Who's drinking rum? I drink it. Who's drinking rum? I drink it. Come and take a toast with me.
Soca music used to be the soul of Calypso. That's because it was the voice of the people. It's very heavily dependent on road marches and parades and people jumping in the street. So the music has to be made to make them want to go.
The carnival plays a major role when spreading the culture. Back home, you would think that it's only being appreciated by just Caribbean people.
Whether it's Trinidad or Notting Hill, Carnival's like very independent spirits. Everybody coming together.
Everybody took their piece of the action to create something new and decided that this is going to be Carnival. I think London has been one of the fastest growing.
I did Notting Hill Carnival a few years ago, and it was like, yo, this feels like I'm in the Caribbean. Music pumping and, you know,
That was one of the biggest audience I've seen on the road.
The last time I was there, you know, I couldn't even choose the direction I wanted to walk to.
People upon people, and in true European fashion, they are there to be there, and it's not just there shuffling about.
We understand the culture we're celebrating, but there's loads of other cultures there.
You got the jungle stage, you got the grime section, you got the bashment, you got the funky, you got the rap. The UK music is such a good place, and the carnival is just the best melting pot.
And that's what makes it Notting Hill Carnival in London, not the Rio Carnival or in Barbados, which have their own musical focuses, and it makes it unique.
You need to have a place that encourages people to just dance and just have a good time and keep the rhythm spinning no matter what else is going on in the world.
And I think those little moments of freedom kind of really give rise to the best expression of who we are. Joy, happiness, paradise.
Addicted and them can't have enough. Tell you whining is number one, you know. Make a pose, big six, that